everyone, and welcome back to Crafty Girls SA. I am Kerry, and today I am attempting my first bloom. I was a little bit nervous, so I only wanted to do one color, so I'm doing white and I'm going to back it with the black. So I hope you enjoy watching. I have a little bit of resin left over from another project. So I did say at some stage I was going to attempt a bloom. So seeing that I've got this little bit left over, I am going to attempt a bloom. Now I'm just going to do a white bloom and then back it with some black. So I have my ocean white pigment. My resin now is, at the moment, it's 36.7. So I think it's actually 36.9. So it's nearly on 37. So I think that is about right. So I'm going to just put some in here because I want to add some of the white pigment to that, and then this I'm going to pour into I don't want to do too much because, like I said, I need to back it with black. And I can see some air bubbles. There's one lurking here. Try and push him to the side. Don't want to fiddle too much. As everybody probably already knows, I am a bit of a fiddler, so right, so now I'm going to put in that much. Like I said, I have not done blooms before. I have not attempted blooms before. Not that I don't have the patience, but it's making sure that your resin is the right temperature, and it just takes a little bit more time. And I'm going to put a tiny little bit, which I don't know if that's going to ruin it, but I'm putting a little bit of shimmer in. I don't think it makes much difference with pigment paste, but maybe it will give us a little bit of a shimmer. I'm not sure. Right, so let's get rid of that. And then I have got my piping bag. Not much white in here to put into the piping bag, so I have just put a piece of cardboard here so that I can use it as a little tray. So hopefully that's going to get all the way into the bottom. Let's put that back in there so that I can scoop the rest out. I'm just doing the small one. If I've got any of the white left over, I will try and do another one because I have got a little bit of clear, so, but I didn't want to not have enough to do the bloom. So there is a tiny little bit of white. Like I said, I didn't want to run out of anything. So let's just tie this. And now this is the tricky part, is knowing how big to make the snip. So let's grab my scissors and I will put, I am used to using piping bags from when I was used to do my baking, but these are new experiences. Is that going to be, I think that's fine. Looks a bit runny to me. And it's a bit off center. Right. Well, I could do another one. I don't think there's enough for a big one. Let's try another one of these. I don't know how hot this is. It looks quite thick. So I think this has got hotter. But we've got it left over, so let's use it. And let's go. And now I will, because I've seen other people do this, do the center. That one's not, oh, sherbet. Well, that was really a bad move. Okay, we all do have a problem. Let's see if I can save it. Oh dear. Oh dear, Kerry. You are such a klutz. Let's try and save it a little bit. See if I can save it. See if I can save him. Maybe I wasn't supposed to do him. Maybe he was not meant to be. Okay, well, let's leave him. Shame. Sorry about that, little one. Right, it is already running. So that's exciting. That's exciting. I'm quite excited now. I don't know if it's a little bit premature, but we shall see how we go. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry I messed you up. Anyway, I shall put it on time-lapse, hyperlapse, and we can see the progress. So they are looking really hopeful. I'm not sure what the other side looks like, but the one that I dropped the roller towel on actually looks like it's bloomed better than the other one. But I don't know what it looks like from underneath. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to back this with black, like I said, and I'm going to use the mica powder. Now I could have dissolved it first, but I want to still put it into the vacuum chamber once I've mixed it, because I want to try and get the bubbles out. And I am mixing it to the side because I don't want to get any mica powder on my blooms. Well, that's if they actually come out like blooms. So I'm going to finish mixing this and put it in the vacuum chamber, and then I shall pour the back coat. It's out of the vacuum chamber and I am ready to do, I think I'll do the original one first. Now this mold seems to be not level, because my table is level, but this mold seems to be tends to run down to my right. It's not looking too bad at the moment. I don't know if it's when I'm using all of the molds that it seems to do that. It is slightly running down there, not out of the coaster, but it is definitely got a slight problem to the left, and I don't know how to fix that. I did it the other day. Let's see if that helps. I want to try and dome them a little bit, but not too much that I have to do any sanding. So I'm doing little bits at a time. Let's try that. It's definitely got a problem, this mold. We're going round in circles. I'm sure it'll be fine. I just don't want it to overflow on one side. And I've got my overhead fan on, which is blowing the resin. Hopefully that doesn't make them overflow. Right, that looks good. I will leave those now to cure. So they've been curing overnight, and now I am very interested to see what my first attempt is. I'm going to do this one first, and then this one, because this one was the one that I dropped the roller towel in. Oh wow. Well, I think that that's come out really nicely. I think that that looks really nice. We have a bit of a blob there and a few blobs here. That was my fault. But I think for my first attempt, it's not bad at all. Right, let's see the other one. Ah, I actually prefer the one that I made a mess of. But all in all, I don't think those are too bad for my first attempt. So let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think that it was not a bad attempt, or do you think I need a lot more practice? So there we are. There are the final photos of my blooms. I do think maybe next time I need to make the white thinner. I won't cut as big a hole in the actual piping bag so that we get more of a bloom, and try not to get so many of the blobs. But let me know in the comments what I did wrong, what you think I did wrong, how I can make them better the next time. So thanks for watching me try my first bloom. It is definitely going to need some more practice. And if you would like the video, it would be really great. It does help my channel. Any comments are welcome. So guys, again, as usual, until next time, have a great one.